All right, so I want to take a quick glance at the tropics again. So right now, the National Hurricane Center is monitoring this area right here for potential tropical cyclone development over the next 7 days, giving it a 40% chance of development, which is pretty understandable based off of what the models are currently showing. I want to start. I showed you yesterday the GFS model. I'm going to show you the European today. I'm going to back this up here. I just had it where I wanted it, and then I moved it forward. But here we are tomorrow on October 4th around 2 a.m. Tropical wave in question is going to be right here off the west coast of Africa. I'm going to move it forward. Just keep on moving it forward. You can see it starts to consolidate. And then right as it gets closer to the Lesser Antilles, it starts to form. And that's where the formation is likely going to occur around the Lesser Antilles and maybe partly Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. But then this model, the European, the latest run, well, not the latest run, but it was last night at 8 p.m., that run, shows it curving to the northeast because of the position and the strength of the subtropical high. Subtropical high is located over to the east in the Atlantic Ocean, causing the storm to steer to the northeast, which I do tend to believe. I'm not putting a lot of faith in the 252-hour of the European model. I don't put any faith once it's past like 150. If you want to put faith in it, by all means, I PM pool, so I don't put faith in it. But it has it curving to the northeast. I'll show you the surface map here. So you can see the precipitation, the unorganized convection approaching the Lesser Antilles here, and then it starts to consolidate, starts to form over the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and then it quickly turns to the northeast due to, like I said, the strength and the positioning of the subtropical high. If you have a stronger subtropical high and it's positioned further over here, that's when you get these hurricanes to push through the Caribbean and push through the Gulf. And that's when it gets dangerous because, the Caribbean and the Gulf, they have such high ocean heat content right now. Anything goes in there, and it is game on at that point. If you have light shear, you have really warm SSTs, these storms can explode. But so if this storm, hopefully the storm curves to the northeast, because after last season, we do not need another landfall in the U.S. I'm going to show you one more here. I need to back this up. I wish I would have kept it where I had it. Okay, this is valid on October 9th at 8 p.m. This is the Global Ensemble Forecasting System. You can see a general consensus between all the model members showing that there's going to be something in that general vicinity right in here where I'm circling with my cursor. It's showing that there's a low pressure that's going to be somewhere in that general area around that time frame. And then I'm going to show you one more here before we get going. And let me back this up to around the same time period. And here we go. The European Ensemble Forecasting Models shows a general consensus between the members that there is going to be something. So the biggest takeaway at this point is there's likely going to be something. Where it goes at this point remains unknown. Even the best forecaster at this point wouldn't be able to tell you where this thing is going to go. I'm no different. I can't tell you where this thing is going to go, but just be paying attention to the weather over the next week, especially if you live on any of these islands or if you live in any hurricane-prone areas. Just be monitoring the weather. Stay with us. We'll keep you guys updated. But at this point, just know that there's likely going to be something that forms around the Lesser Antilles later next week. So stay with us. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and pee in pools.